Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Boredom Busters, and welcome to Drawing for Beginners, Episode 7. Okay guys, this is the last episode for the Drawing for Beginners series, but don't worry about it because I will still be showing you guys how to draw some stuff. And I'll be doing some time-lapse, and please make sure to like and subscribe because my goal is to get 100 subscribers at the end of the year. And we're so close to 70. We gained 5 yesterday, which is pretty good. And I thought since it's our last episode, we're going to draw an eye. So I looked at a video for this, and I kind of remember it, or I know it pretty good because I've drawn it a lot. So what you want to do is draw a circle, just like that. You could do it like any shade. It doesn't have to be. This is just the guidelines. And draw a line up. And then, if you guys can see that, a line across, just like that. Now you want to draw a circle connecting from these lines, like this. We're going to be using shading today, so it might take a little bit. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to draw the pupil, like this. There you go. Now we're going to draw the actual, eyelid. So we're going to draw up, and we're going to go through that circle down like that. All right. Now you want to go like this. Oops. Kind of like, let me fix this real quick. Just like this, kind of. Yep, like this. There we go. Now you can erase all the guidelines. I'm not going to be using my blending stump today, but you guys can color your eye if you want. Link is in the description below of my coloring video. It seems like you guys really like that coloring video, and it's very useful when you want to learn how to color things. Just like that. It's okay if you erase them, just redraw it. And like this. And then like this. Alright, there we go. I want to draw the little thing right here. I'm not sure what that's called. Alright, now you want to just kind of color this in right here. Alright, there you go. There's your kind of basic eye for now. Now what you want to do is you want to draw these lines right here. Just like this. Nice and short strokes. Just like this. And we'll be drawing a highlight to the eye. Just like that. All right, now you may be thinking, oh, it doesn't look too good just yet. Well, we're not even close to being done. So what we're going to do is we're going to erase this top part right here, the pupil, and then draw the highlight. Just like this, just like a little rectangle. All right, now we're going to color this in. Now it looks kind of more like an eye. But now we're just going to do some of the, I think, eyelashes. So what you want to do is like this. You can make them tall, but I'm going to make mine short. Short, nice and short strokes, or just want to do some strokes like this. Fill them in the middle. And we'll still shade and make it look nice. All right, there we go. You got the eyelashes done now. Now you want to shade with the flat edge of your pencil. Just shade in the iris, just like this. Oh, there's one thing I forgot to do with the guideline circle. I'm so sorry. You want to draw the eyebrow. So if you still have the circle, which I still told you to erase it, but that's okay. Just draw it like this. Forgot to put in the eyebrow. Just like this. And there you go. Kind of like something like that if you want. I'm going to fix mine real quick, but just like this. There we go. All right. Now we're just going to shade in the eyebrow from dark to light. All right, something like this. Now we could draw a little bit of, like, I guess you could say, just shade right here, shadow. Just gonna draw some along the eyelashes like this. Just like that. Now we're gonna shade this in right here. And there you go, guys. That's how you draw your very own human eye. That's kind of realistic. All right, guys, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll probably post a new video today, maybe of something else, maybe a different drawing one. But like I said, I really want 100 subscribers by the end of the year. And we're almost at 70, and I'll do a really cool 70 sub special. So please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you for doing this series with me. And some more things to expect on my channel are origami, like drawing, art, all sorts of stuff like that. Legos, maybe some stop motions, and every once in a while I'll do video games, but not as much anymore. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.